Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp. And this is Cheryl's lamp from Washington. And so what had basically happened, Cheryl had dropped the lamp, or it got knocked over, and so some of the components on the animated board had touched, and that blew out the main board, which is a power board, but yet it also caused damage to the animation board. So it had some very serious problems. And then other than trying to troubleshoot everything out and replace a whole bunch of components on both boards, it was just simpler to search down through suppliers all the best parts we could find. So that's basically what we did. We took all the best parts that we had and we made this lamp for Cheryl. So we're going to go ahead and do some testing now and do the final checkout. And what we want to do, since Mickey is already plugged in, they have a couple of switches if you're not familiar with these Mickey Mouse lamps. One switch is the sound switch. You have sound on and sound off. And then you have a power switch, a main power switch to turn Mickey on and off. So he is in the on mode right now, and we're going to spin him around. And Cheryl has her lampshade, so she did not need a lampshade with this Mickey. And we're going to go ahead and test Mickey.
Ah, that's better.
And then basically he says something every time you turn him off and on.
See you real soon.
And then we're going to go through one more.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
And we'll go ahead and turn him off.
Hey, who turned off the... Oh, I did.
We'll go ahead and do it one more time.
What a bright idea.
And we'll turn him off.
So long, pal.
And we'll try that one more time.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And we'll go ahead and shut him off.
Hey, who turned off the... Oh, I did.
Okay, so we know that Mickey is working now, so what we're going to do, and I like to turn, before I unplug any electronics, unplug them from the wall or the power plug or whatever, I like to turn them basically off. And then I'm going to turn the sound off. And that way we know that when we unplug it, all we have to do is turn everything back on, and it should all reset properly. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to reach around.
What a bright idea.
Okay, and that would have turned him on. And now I want to turn him off.
Lights out.
And then I'll turn him back on one more time.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And then we'll go ahead and turn him off.
Pal.
So now that we know that this Mickey Mouse lamp is repaired, we can return it to Cheryl, and she can start enjoying Mickey once again, and she won't be in the dark. So basically, this is a highly collectible Mickey Mouse animated lamp, and they do not any longer make this model, so it's highly sought after. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959.
Ah, that's better.
Thank you for watching, and have a great day.